Hi everyone, today we are starting on our division learning in Year 5. So I just wanted to show you how you can use Mathspot to help you with your tasks over the next couple of days. It talks a lot about using place value counters. So we're going to take a bit of a look at how they can be used to help us using mathspot.com again today. So I'm going to start off having a look at question 2a, where it asks you to use place value counters to complete the divisions. And we're going to try 66 divided by 3 all together. So when you go to the place value counter link, which I've popped onto your video links page today, you will find that you have got some place value counters over here on the left. It's quite useful just to pop the grid on over here because it just helps to lock the counters in place and just helps you to be really organised in your working. So you want to make the number 66 first of all, because that number is the number that we are dividing. It's our dividend. So I've got my 10 here and I'm going to copy that one across. I know I need 6 of them because that will make me 60. I then need 6 ones to make the 6. Okay, and now I'm going to divide them into 3 equal groups. And the easiest way to do that is to then separate them and pop them into 3 rows. So I've got my 6 here, 3 rows of my 10s, and I can see then by dividing my 10s I get 2 10s in each row. Now with this one I've noticed as well that the digits are the same, they're both 6s, so that tells me then when I move the 1s I can put 2 of those on each row as well, and I would have shared them out equally. Tidy that one up there, and here we go. And I can see I have an equal number because I've laid them out neatly in the grid as well. It helps me to see that they are equally shared between the 3 rows. So as I look at it now, I know 66 divided into 3 groups. What I'm saying here then is every group has 22 within it. So 66 divided by 3 is 22. Now, I want us then to have a quick look at one of your other questions. Just before I do though, actually the rest of question 2, there's a few questions there which you might be able to just work out mentally because you know your times table facts. I'm sure that could well be the case for a lot of you. However, I still want you to have a go at using Mathspot to help you today so that you feel really confident in just what it should look like. Now, I want us then to have a bit of a look at what Dexter's doing over here. Dexter's working out 56 divided by 4. You can see he's laid out his 10s and his 1s and he's got some left over. And he says, I can't do it because I haven't got enough counters. I've got counters left over him, so I can't share those. So let's just have a quick look at what Dexter is trying to do here. So that question was 56 divided by 4. So I can change the numbers in here, 56, and divide that by 4. And of course have a different answer now. And I can quickly just tidy everything away on Mathspot. And I can make my number. So 50 10s, or 5 10s, which makes 50. They've gone up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now I need to divide them into 4 equal groups. So I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, just like it showed Dexter did. And I've got that 10 that I haven't done anything with yet. And then let's just share out those 1s for a moment as well. I'm only going to get 1 even group of 1s. I can't start sharing these now because if I put that 10 there, then this row's got an extra 10, but the other ones haven't. So I can't do that. However, what have I got left? I've got 12 left. Now I know I can divide 12 by 4. I just have to exchange this 10 because how many 1s is that worth again? That's right, 10 1s. Mathspot's very useful because if I just click on that 10 and then click exchange, it quickly exchanges it all into 1s for me, and I know I've got 10 1s. So now I can share those 1s out and pop them all into useful rows. And actually now I can see that using those last 2 ones that previously I couldn't share because I didn't have enough, I've now got an equal number in each group again. So 56 divided by 4 is 110 and 4 ones in every group. So that's 14. So if I look back at that question, when Dexter's saying I can't do it because I've got counters left over, do we agree with Dexter? No. Okay, so you need to explain then, when you do explain your answer, that the 10 counter could be exchanged down for 10 ones, and then Dexter would be able to share that out equally because it would give him 12 ones. And 12 divided by 4, that equals 3. I hope that's helpful for you today. As you look through each of the questions, use place value counters to help you just so you can see how that exchange works. It will make it easier for you when we move into other questions later. You'll see you've got some part whole models today. The White Rose video will help to explain how this system works, so make sure you're watching that video to help you as well. The links are all on your video links page for today. Have fun getting your head around some division, and I hope MathSpot is really useful for you. Bye!